Hey you guys, this is my friend
Daviana,
and she's going to talk about her wig, and I am going to apply her wig.
yeah, excuse me for my mess because I look crazy. Oh, okay, this wig that we'll be using is a 360 full lace. I also have a band because I have a big head and it needs to stay on. And it's already custom to like my edges, so it's already cut out. I already wore this hair. I had this hair for, I would say, almost a year. I got it in 2018 March for my birthday, and it's still good. It doesn't shed. I got it from Rich Divas. Their Instagram, I believe, is Hair by Rich Divas Palace. They're located on 35th Avenue D, Brooklyn, New York. That's Flatbush. So for all my Brooklyn people. And this hair is also 20 inches, and as you can see, like, as 20 inches, this is very long. I am 5'5", and it literally reaches me to like a nice, I would say like a good back length. You know, this hair density is, I believe it's 150, but I think it's 130. But it's really like full. It's not thin at all. You would have thought it was actually a 200 density. So this hair is really good. Go get you some. She actually has a sale going on, so she's good. Melt queen. It's time to get this melted. Spray.
First, you guys, we are going to use Got To Be spray. Now, Davy already, I don't know what she did.
Okay, so what I did was basically base my edges first before putting on the cap with a Got To Be, and then I put on my cap so that way it could just stick even stronger when you put it on, and then I allow that to dry, and then I based it again so that way when I cut it I don't have the rumble edges. So I based it again on top, and I might put some in because I just want it to stay. Like, you can base it as much as possible as long as your wig cap stays.
Right. So I'm gonna just spray it, and then I'm gonna use my blow dryer, which I have. I'm going to start with Got To Be spray, and
see when I ride on bumble.
It's fake kills.
One time. Standard. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one. Them a step in on me yard, them a enter. Them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man, I tell them.
Hi guys.
Yo, what's poppin'? Gang.
In the video, like,
What's the gal tomorrow?
what's the vlog? Like, what's up?
now I'm going to use 91% alcohol. You can use 90 or and above, not below where. And I'm just going to clean up her forehead.
Man, I tell them me them go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go down. Ooh.
Now I'm going to use a damp beauty blender, and this Maybelline foundation this is 155 coconut. Anyway, okay, you can't see it, but I'm gonna just dab this all over her big old head.
Y'all better be subscribing to her channel.
Can I actually get in?
Now I am going to put on Daviana's wig.
Hello, what's up? This kind of goes on my head too.
You want your forehead coming more, or?
Nah, this is good.
More.
That's the whole song. Hey,
What?
It's the catfish. It's the real me. It's the catfish. It's the real me.
What?
It's the catfish.
Yo, it's the real me. That's the catfish. This is real me. This is real me. This is real me. What? Catfish. Shut up. The catfish. Shut
Oh, you
up.
bottom out.
Catfish,
There you go.
catfish, what? Real me, real me, what? Real me, what? Catfish, 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 what? Catfish, catfish, catfish.
One nigga say really one nigga. Now me and I'm see. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me a run nigga. One nigga say really one nigga. Call me emergency. One time me a never. Them my girls, them a coming.
I am smoothing out the glue around the perimeter of her big old head.
Lover, bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. And a bad man run the show.
Landed yet? Don't land it.
Yeah, right. Help me out, Abdul. Hold it out. Thank you. Oh my god.
No.
So I'm just putting it up. I got you, girl.
And a bad man run the show now. Yeah. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me a run nigga. One nigga say really one nigga. Now me and I'm see. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me a run nigga. One nigga say really one nigga. Call me emergency. Original Batman. One time. He's Bodsy, baby. VQs, mix and mix it. Yeah, no. Leg up.
So you guys, she had this on for about, like, how long? 30 minutes. I don't know, we ate. So yeah. Laid down the front of her wig.
See when I ride a bumble.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. She's Bodsy, baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in a me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh yeah. Go low. Man a tell him me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl them go down. Ooh wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now.
I'm fucking. Hey, you guys, so we're gonna stop here. Davy like to do her hair. Her baby hairs in the morning. So we're gonna leave it like this. 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna pin curl her hair. That's why I didn't like, play with them too much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed my friends. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, she's tired. So, later.